Dinosaurs have long captured our imagination as giants of the past, now known only through fossils and science. But what if one species never truly disappeared? What if, hidden in the remote corners of our planet, a dinosaur still walks among us? It sounds like science fiction, yet some believe it could be real. Let's explore this thrilling idea, uncover the myths, examine the evidence, and ask the question, could a dinosaur still be alive today? Mokele-Mbembe, myth, monster, or survivor? In the depths of the Congo Basin, where the rainforest swallows sound and light, a legend lingers. The locals speak of a creature called Mokele-Mbembe, a name that translates to the one who stops the flow of rivers. Descriptions are striking: a large, long-necked beast with a bulky body and a tail like a crocodile's. It's not unlike the sauropod dinosaurs believed to have vanished millions of years ago. For generations, these stories have been passed down, whispers of something ancient moving through the remote waterways and dense undergrowth. To many, it's folklore, but to some, it's a tantalizing clue that something prehistoric may have survived. Could a creature from the age of dinosaurs still be alive, hidden in the untouched wilds of Central Africa? The scientific community remains skeptical: no bones, no photographs, no proof. Yet the consistency of the accounts, and the persistence of the myth, refuse to fade. Real or imagined, Mokele-Mbembe continues to ignite the curiosity of explorers and cryptozoologists, those driven not by what is, but by what might still be. Encounters with the legend. Over the decades, both explorers and local inhabitants have come forward with chilling claims. They say they've seen Mokele-Mbembe with their own eyes. The descriptions are remarkably consistent: a long, powerful neck, a massive, lumbering body, and a tail that drags across the jungle floor like a living relic from another time. Some even report a deep, guttural roar, echoing through the trees, so haunting it stops you in your tracks. Skeptics point to misidentification or folklore. They question the reliability of memory, of fear, of the unknown. But the number of accounts, and their eerie similarities, paint a different picture. Are these simply stories passed from mouth to mouth, shaped by imagination, or are they something more? Each testimony adds another piece to the puzzle, and perhaps, just perhaps, offers a glimpse into a forgotten world, where dinosaurs may still walk among us. Footprints and tangible proof? Beyond the stories and sightings, some expeditions claim to have found something even more tangible: physical evidence. Along remote riverbanks deep in the Congo Basin, explorers have reported discovering massive footprints. The impressions appear to belong to a large, four-legged creature, with some tracks measuring several feet across and pressed deep into the mud. To believers, they are thrilling clues, potential proof that something extraordinary may be out there. But without bones, DNA, or a living specimen, the scientific world remains unconvinced. Skeptics suggest these prints could be the result of misidentified animals, or simply the work of erosion, water flow, or other natural forces. Still, each new track reignites the question: what left these marks? For some, these mysterious footprints are not just anomalies in the mud, but possible evidence of a living dinosaur, hidden in the heart of Africa. Scientific theories and wild speculations. The idea of a living dinosaur naturally sparks a flood of theories, and even more speculation. Some scientists entertain the possibility that, if such a creature does exist, it might be a relict population, a hidden group that somehow survived the mass extinction that ended the age of dinosaurs. Others argue that what people are seeing may not be a dinosaur at all, but rather an undiscovered species, one that happens to share the same ancient features. The Congo Basin, vast and largely unexplored, offers the perfect setting for such a mystery. Its dense jungles and winding rivers form a natural barrier, keeping secrets well hidden from modern eyes. While these ideas remain just that, ideas, they continue to capture the imagination. And for some, they're more than enough reason to keep searching deeper into the unknown. Cryptozoology, fringe or frontier? Cryptozoology, the study of hidden or legendary creatures, stands at the crossroads of folklore and science. And in the search for living dinosaurs, it plays a central role. Cryptozoologists follow stories like that of Mokele-Mbembe, drawing on eyewitness accounts, cultural traditions, and field investigations. While mainstream science often labels the field as fringe, history shows it's not without merit. Several once mythical creatures, like the okapi and coelacanth, were eventually proven real. To these researchers, the vast, unexplored jungles jungles of Central Africa are more than mysterious, they're potential places where a large, elusive animal could still exist, unnoticed by modern eyes. Despite skepticism and a lack of hard proof, cryptozoologists press on, fueled by curiosity, by belief, and by the dream of rewriting what we think we know about life on Earth. Their search keeps the legend alive, and invites us to keep questioning the boundaries of the known world. Field challenges in the search for truth. Over the years, countless expeditions have pushed deep into the Congo Basin, driven by a single, extraordinary goal: to uncover evidence of Mokele-Mbembe. These missions are anything but easy. The region is one of the most challenging environments on Earth. Dense jungle, sweltering humidity, swarms of insects, treacherous terrain, and the ever-present risks posed by dangerous wildlife. Yet, the mystery is a powerful lure. The idea of discovering a living dinosaur, something thought lost to time, continues to inspire both scientists and adventurers alike. Though no definitive proof has yet emerged, these expeditions have yielded something just as valuable: a deeper understanding of the Congo's rich biodiversity, its remote ecosystems, and the cultural stories woven into its landscape. In the end, the search for Mokele-Mbembe isn't only about finding a creature, it's about the human spirit of exploration, and the enduring desire to seek out what lies beyond the known. From whispered tales to worldwide fame, the idea of living dinosaurs has long held a powerful grip on the human imagination, echoing through books, films, and television. Blockbusters like Jurassic Park brought these prehistoric giants to life on the silver screen, while cryptid-themed shows and documentaries have explored creatures like Mokele-Mbembe through the lens of mystery and speculation. This fascination with what might still exist keeps the legend alive. For every new audience, the story is reborn, sparking curiosity, debate, and wonder. While pop culture often blurs the line between science and fantasy, it also plays a key role in keeping the conversation going. It draws attention to real expeditions, to scientific efforts, and to the enduring questions we still ask about the world around us. In blending myth with media, we ensure that the legend of living dinosaurs, especially those said to dwell in the heart of Africa, remains as captivating today as ever.